In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to renew your Hostgator hosting in just a few easy steps. Whether your plan is close to expiring or you simply want to stay ahead, renewing your hosting ensures that your website remains live and uninterrupted. Let's go through the process together. Start by opening your preferred web browser and heading to www.hostgator.com. Once the Hostgator homepage loads, you'll see an overview of their services. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you haven't visited in a while, as HostGator occasionally updates its interface. Now, look towards the top right corner of the homepage. You'll see the Sign In button. Click on it to access your account. If you're not logged in yet, enter your registered email address and password. Having these details ready will make the process smoother. Once signed in, you'll be redirected to your account dashboard. This dashboard gives you a complete overview of all your hosting services. It's essentially your control center for managing domains, billing, and renewals. From here, navigate to the profile or billing section, depending on your dashboard layout. In this section, look for the Renewal Center. This is where you can view all your active hosting plans along with their expiration dates. The Renewal Center is designed to help you easily manage subscriptions and renewals in one convenient place. Once you're on the renewal page, you'll see a list of your current hosting plans. Find the plan you want to renew and click on Renew Now. HostGator will then prompt you to confirm your plan details and choose your renewal term. You can often select from different renewal durations, such as 1 year, 2 years, or even 3 years, depending on your needs and budget. Before proceeding, review the billing details carefully. Confirm that your payment method, renewal period, and account information are correct. When everything looks good, go ahead and complete the payment process. After payment, HostGator will automatically update your hosting plan and send you a confirmation email. This email includes a receipt and the updated expiration date for your hosting service. It's a good idea to keep this email for your records. To make things easier next time, consider enabling auto renewal. This feature ensures that your hosting renews automatically before it expires, helping you avoid any downtime or accidental service interruptions. Just make sure your safe payment method stays up to date. And that's it. You've successfully renewed your HostGator hosting. Your website will continue running smoothly without any service gaps. Keeping your hosting active is a small but vital part of maintaining a professional online presence. If you run into any issues along the way, don't worry. The HostGator support team is available through chat and email to help resolve billing or renewal problems quickly. Thanks for watching, and if this tutorial helped, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more quick guides on web hosting and website management.